Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm demoing this REDMOND handheld mixer. It's a 5-speed along with a turbo boost and an eject button. It comes with the 2 whipping blades and also with door hooks. These attachments are dishwasher safe. The machine itself is compact, lightweight and easy to use. The speed is very powerful. It gives you a 250 watt motor and allows you to whip eggs. So you go from a low speed to a higher speed to whip eggs or whipping cream. It's very versatile, and if you're a person that doesn't like to knead flour, the door hooks will come in really handy to help you knead flour. And you would need flour on the 3 to 4 speed, and you whip eggs on the 1 to 2 speed. Just look how perfect those are. Nice stiff peaks. So this is my new kitchen hand mixer. I really love it, and a lot of you have been asking me to recommend a good one, so this is the one that I would recommend you getting, and it's very stylish and modern. So if you guys are interested in owning one of this, I'll leave the link. You can purchase it on Amazon, and let me know what you think if you purchase it. Thank you so much for watching. Do continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.